Hey guys, welcome to Coding with DG. In previous videos, we talked about the script tag and that we can place it in the head and we can place it in the body. But what's the difference between them and why should we put it in one place or another place and what are the consequences of that? This video is going to be about that. So let's go for it. We know that we can place our script tags inside the head tag, like here, inside our head tag. And we can place it inside our body tag too. But what is the difference between them? And which one should we use? In order to know that, we first have to enumerate two possible reasons why we use JavaScript. One reason would be the manipulation of HTML elements, or in other words, DOM elements. And that is something that you are going to learn in future lectures, the word DOM and what it means. But for now, let's say that the manipulation of HTML documents means that, for example, here I have a title that is black, and if we want to make it red, or we want to remove it, or we want to add an additional text above it, then we have to manipulate the DOM, manipulate the HTML elements, and we can do it with JavaScript. Another reason to use JavaScript is loading external code like style sheets or other JavaScript code. So there are two of the main reasons to use JavaScript. They are not the only ones, but they are two of the most used. The difference between putting the script tag in head or in body is when it will be executed. The body tag is only read by the browser after the head tag is already read. So the browser only reads this body tag and its elements that are inside it after it finishes reading the head tag. Okay, and that's pretty important because we have to have in mind that all that we can see in a website are HTML elements that are placed inside the body tag, like this H1. In other words, the content that we can see in any site is only available after the body tag is executed or after the body tag is read. So if we put a script that modifies an element inside the head, we will have a problem. We will be trying to modify something that does not exist yet. Therefore, if we are going to put JavaScript that in some way manipulate an HTML element, we are going to put that script at the end of the body when all elements of the body are already read and rendered. On the other hand, if we want to load some external code, just the process of loading it, we want to put that script tag inside our head. So an additional point to make is that even if we can put code in the head that is not manipulating the DOM, like this one, takes a while to be fully executed. That is time that the user will wait with a blank page because, as we said before, the body tag and all its elements are only read after the head is already read. Okay? So that's the main difference between putting the script tag inside head or inside body. As a quick demonstration, we can put here a line of code that will make this title red. And because of putting it in the head tag, it will not work. And after it, we are going to place the same line at the end of the body, and we are going to see that the title will become red. Okay? So the line is the following: document that get elements by tag name, parentheses, we are going to put here h1, in the position 0, that style, that color equals to red, and semicolon at the end. Okay, that's the line. If you don't fully understand what this line means, I'm telling you, this will make the H1 or this title red. You are going to fully understand this line and many others of the JavaScript language in future lectures, and you will be able to modify the elements of HTML in whatever way you want. Okay, so now we're going to save it. Okay, and the title is still being black. Why? Because we are trying to modify an element that does not exist yet. But what happens if we could this? Okay, and we go to the end of the body. We put a script up here, and inside of it, we put the same code. We save it, and here it is. The title is red. Why? Because we are modifying something that already exists, because it is at the end of the body tag.
That's it for this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please, if you like it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, any comment, any doubt, any suggestion that you can have, please leave it in the comments below. I will see you in the next one.